Yeah, so I think a common trend is that in early days, you might do partnership with pharma, both for revenue and for demonstrating that there's a sort of outside validation of the importance and utility of the technology. Um, but typically in these contracts, especially for your partner to for it to make sense for them, there'll have to be some sort of revenue share, and you often end up giving away some significant fraction of the potential upside you could have. And so I think this is a natural driving force to have companies become much more vertical and to really push towards developing their own drugs. And here's the challenge. I mean, the reason for going vertical makes total sense. The challenge is that teams that, let's say, have a great skill at some area in biology or some area in engineering biology or some area in computation, um, those aren't necessarily the same skills for running clinical development and pushing things through clinical trials and doing that later stage of the vertical part. And so it's a common thing for companies to say that they're going to then design drugs, but those are a great example of words that are way easier to say than to do. And so I think the challenge will be, can you bring on team members that really understand what's coming and can help guide you such that if you are going to go vertical, that you're prepared for that, and that you understand hopefully you turn the unknown unknowns into known unknowns at the very least, and have a team that can actually be able to do that. If you can put that together, I think that can work very well. And it's often a great marriage between sort of this new type of engineering tech bio with old biotech, where I get very excited is when I see people who are very traditional drug hunters who maybe brought multiple drugs to market, which is an elite group, someone who's brought like 3+ drugs to market. They're very verified air. When those people see these new technologies and get excited about it, that's also additional validation for the whole ecosystem that maybe there really is something very exciting to the platform.